Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get the official 4T Trader application on your smartphone, whether you are using an Android or an iPhone. First of all, launch open your Google Play Store or your App Store and in the search bar, search for 4T Trader. Type it like this and search. Now from the search result, look for this application from 4T and tap on Get or the Install button. Now wait for the download process to complete. On your iOS, you'll need to authenticate with your Face ID, Touch ID or your Apple ID password. Once you do that, the download process will begin. You'll need to wait for a couple of minutes so that you can get the application installed on your smartphone. Always make sure that you have a stable internet connection and you are connected to it. And once the installation is complete, tap on Open. Now you'll come across this welcome screen from where you can go ahead and get started and sign up for 4T Trader or log into your existing account. You can also create a demo account to begin without risking any kind of your funds so that you can practice upon a demo account. That is how you easily and successfully download the 4T Trader app on your smartphone. Now you're ready to explore the app, check the markets, and start learning the platform at your own pace. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.